Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a review of Reading Mastery Lessons 115 and 116. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with our first new sound. This sound is ch. Listen again. Ch. Your turn. Yes, ch, like cheese. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these words. Here we go. Listen. When these two sounds are together, they make the pirate sound, R. Here I go. R. What word? Yes, R. Next word. Listen. Each. What word? Yes, each. Next word. Listen. Cop. What word? Yes, cop. Next word. Lots. What word? Yes, lots. All right, now we have an irregular word here. Listen to teacher say it. Off. That's how we sound it out. Here's how we say it. Of. How do we say it? Yes, of. Your turn. Sound it out. Yes, off. How do you say it? Yes, of. Next word. Remember, when these two sounds are together, they make the pirate sound, R. Sound it out. Cars. What word? Yes, cars. Good reading. Looking at these words, we're going to sound them out, then we're going to say them fast. Here's an irregular word. Listen. Ta. That's how you sound it out. Here's how you say it. Two. How do you say it? Yes, two. Let's sound it out again. Get ready. Ta. How do you say it? Yes, two. Next word. Sound it out. Caves. What word? Caves. Good reading. Next word. Sound it out. Teach. What word? Yes, teach. Next word. Get ready. Will. What word? Yes, will. Now let's read these words the fast way. First word. What word? Yes, two. Next word. What word? Yes, caves. Next word. What word? Yes, teach. Last word. What word? Yes, will. All right, here's our last group of words. Here is an irregular word. Sound it out. Get ready. Girl. That's how we sound it out. Here's how we say it. Girl. How do we say it? Girl. Your turn. Sound it out. Get ready. Girl. How do you say it? Girl. Good reading. Remember, when these two sounds are together, they make the pirate sound. Sound it out. Car. What word? Yes, car. See if you can read these words the fast way. First word. What word? Girl. Next word. What word? Yes, car.